Morning students, I hope you all are doing well, and today we are going to start with the fourth chapter, that is multiplication and division. Okay, when do we do this multiplication? When we know the value of one object and we need to find the value of a set of objects. Okay, for example, if you know the value of one pen and if I ask you the value of 10 pens, then that time we are going to do the multiplication. Okay, so here we are going to learn about how to multiply a given number with 3-digit number. So read the first question. There are 754 students in a school. If one child's uniform cost 368 rupees, then what will be the cost of the uniforms for all the children in the school? Now here we know the one uniform's cost, and that is 368 rupees. And we are going to calculate the cost for all the children. So let's do the calculation. Now here two things are very important which I'm going to write. The cost for one uniform 368 rupees and the total number of students, that is 754, and these two numbers are very important. This is going to give you the answer. So let's start multiplying. 754 students and cost of one uniform is 368 rupees. Okay, so we are going to multiply by this digit first. 8, you know the method, so 8 fours are 32. Okay, then we have 3. I am going to write the remainders here. Okay, I have 3. 8 fives are 40. 40 plus 3 give me 43. So I have 4 now. And 8 sevens are 56. 56 plus 4 will give me 60. Now as we know the place value of this is 60, I am going to write 0 here. Okay, now 6 fours are, yes, 24, so I am having 2 now, and 6 fives are 30 plus 2 will be 32. I have 3, and 6 sevens are 42. 42 plus 3 I have 45. Okay, now we are going to multiply by this 3. Since the place value of 3 is 300, I am going to write 2 zeros here. So 3 multiplied by 4 will be 12. I have 1. 3 multiplied by 5 will be 15 plus 1, 16. I again have 1. And 3 multiplied by 7 is 21. 21 plus 1 is 22. See, one thing you should take care of is you need to write all the digits below it. Okay, and then only your answer will be correct, otherwise your answer will be incorrect somewhere. So let's add these 3 numbers. 2, 7, 4, 11 plus 6, 17. We have 1. 4 plus 3, 7, and 2. So this is the total cost of all the uniforms of all students of that school. That means what is it? It is 2,77,472. So how will you write below this calculation? See, always remember, this calculation is not enough. You need to write the answer also. This is just a calculation. Now we are going to write the answer as the total cost of uniforms is 2,77,472 rupees. Don't forget to write the rupees. It is very important. Okay, that's how we are going to solve all the questions. I hope you have understood. We are going to solve one problem from this practice set 14. So it is 327 multiplied by 92. So first we are going to multiply it by 2. So 2 sevens are 14. We have 1, 2 twos are 4 and 1, that is 5, and 2 threes are 6. Now since the place value of 9 is 90, I am going to place 1 0. Okay, 9 sevens are 63. So I have 6. 9 twos are 18. 18 plus 6, 24. And 9 threes are 27. 27 plus 2, 'okay. So let's add these two numbers. Don't forget to give plus sign here. 4, 8, 10, again 10 and 3. So it is 30,084, and as an answer you are going to write it as 327 multiplied by 92 gives you 30,084. Okay, don't forget to write the answer. See, for multiplication and division you are going to need your tables, so be prepared with your tables. That plays very important part in this multiplication and division. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Otherwise, I'll see you in Google Meet.